This video shows how to use a Turbuhaler. First, unscrew the cover to remove it. Check the dose counter to make sure it is not empty. Keep the Turbuhaler upright while you turn the coloured base as far as it will go in one direction, and then all the way back again. You will hear a click on one of these turns. Don't tip it past 90 degrees, or the medicine you've just loaded can get lost. Get ready to inhale by breathing out gently, away from the Turbuhaler. Place the mouthpiece between your teeth and close your lips to seal. Be careful not to cover the air vents on the sides. Breathe in strongly and deeply. Hold the breath for 5 seconds, or as long as is comfortable. Then breathe out again gently. Make sure you don't breathe out into the Turbuhaler, as it could clog it up. If you need more than one dose, simply repeat the steps to load and breathe in your medicine. Then replace the cover. The Turbuhaler will always make a noise when you shake it. That sound isn't the medicine, it's just a substance to help keep the medicine dry.